Ah, boring. Not nice.
Oh, thank you. Delete me. The suppose I am.
Hi, it's Nkuli the Great, and today I'm going hiking. I'm going to touch grass. I'm going to be one with nature. So the year is coming to an end, actually, in the last month. A couple of weeks before we start our new year. Obviously going to our spiritual pilgrimage, so I want to go touch grass before I do any of that. So come with me. Uber, let's go.
It's too cool. My armpits, okay, they're clean. 6 euro.
How much? 6 rand.
Kumele ube romantic vele ungena usilapha sifani uhloniphe ukuze ukuthi ubheke uvile.
Good morning, people. We have arrived at the location. The cars that are here, we must make our own car. Bomi and I said we're gonna make our own car.
Yes, you said you're gonna make our own car. You're not gonna buy.
We're not gonna buy. So anyways, here we are. We just arrived and it is time for us to start hiking.
Yeah. Only has like.
By the way, do we pay? I didn't do my research.
I didn't do my research. I think we do.
I think we pay. We didn't do our research. Don't be like us in life.
Research. You just wake up like we are doing things.
Look at my ears. They're just red. Oh. Okay, for the YouTube and the interview, how are you feeling today?
I am feeling tired, sleepy, and excited. My first hike with Nkuli forever.
Hi guys, my first hike with the Bomi, and we are going to see how we are in nature. Put this on document.
This thing is nice. Funny enough, there's still like 3 in the office.
This thing is ugly. She's saying it's nice.
It was ugly when she first. I can't tell the people where you got it.
You can't tell the people. There was an event and I collected.
When she first collected. It was very ugly. But as I continue hiking, this is actually nice.
Bomi feels like a baller she wants. And it has no price. And you know what? You know how places have there's no price?
It's probably like 500.
It in fact was not 500 rand. I'm telling you now for free. It was 1,350 rands. 1,350 rands. Anyways, over there it was just like the indemnity form. And continue with the video. Alright, we are done paying. Like I said, we have our wristbands. Bomi ran away. Like,
oh, sorry, I'm hurt. Sorry, I'm hurt. They said it's 1,000 rands.
she wanted that thing. 1350. Okay, guys, please
support.
Yes.
Buy water. Water is 9 rand. Makol is 10 rand. Together.
There's no set story.
There's no set story. Just the bag.
We just want the bag. So there we have it. There's the 10, 25, and 40. And guess what we're doing? 40. Yeah.
My sister. Okay, do you wanna?
Hi guys. We just started and we are feeling it.
Because I remember the other time we were running so late, going to Ikain on a Monday. Ha! I ran. Remember, and I stood there, I'm like, and my dog was on feet. That guy has big bumps than me. By the time we got upstairs, I was finished.
100% seems very steep. So today's vlog is shaky, né? And the lighting is. You will work with it. You shall work. I'll take out my phone and I see something. Nice. Wow.
She's recording. Go tell on the DVD. On the DVD. Chin and Thomas and the DVD. Actually, would be a good thing. Oh, Sandy, I'm a content creator.
She's complaining like this now. She's complaining like this now, but she loves me.
No, Aisha may love you, but love them as they are. We love you. Me, I love you, Shane.
It is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. You chose this life. Anywho, Mommy's making phone calls.
I'm calling my mom.
Can you not hear that?
I heard that.
Oh. We just came from this one. When I tell you, it was a stretch. The journey continues. And we are staying hydrated with Agrico water. I'll insert the thingy here.
Yes. 19 rand together. 10 rand. 9 rand. It keeps you refreshed.
The dogs. See the cute doggies.
They are cute, but
What is that one doing?
drinking water.
No.
Meditating. Meditation.
Oh my god, they're so cute.
They are, especially this one here. This room is cool. My armpits, okay, they're clean.
And I don't know where we are in this hiking trail, but this is the painting. We're seeing animals. We're seeing zebras. They look like statues. Hey, never mind, I forgot what I had to say. Hey. Alright guys, we're on the last leg. 1 kilometer to go. 1 to go. So if you're looking for a place to live, you can come to Sabah Eco Village. Oh. We have made it.
We've made it.
Now it's time to eat.
We've made it. How many hours?
We are done with the trail. Now it's time to chow. Okay guys. If you have not noticed, we are wearing matchy jackets. Yes, they are matchy. Don't judge me now. Okay. I thought these were placemats. They look like placemats. You don't see cement. Did you guys now know Nando's does serving? You don't order, then sit down, and then they bring your food to you. They actually serve you like a restaurant. This is the restaurant.
I'm still there.
You can't judge me.
I'm touching you.
She did this and she's I'm like, I tried to do this. And then I saw you open and I said, oh. Okay guys, we got, what did we order?
Cheeseburger.
Grande cheeseburger.
And what? Peritato?
Yes, peritato.
It's fresh.
Fresh buns. And I'm done. This is where the vlog ends, yo. After this, you guys will find I'm going to sleep.
This room is cool. My armpits, okay, they're clean.
Bye bye from both of us. Bye. Subscribe now.
Who am I? I am not an African because of my skin color. I am not an African because of my birth. I am African because of my DNA. I am African because of my spiritual roots. I am guided by my spirituality, my African indigenous spirituality that was practiced by my ancient African ancestors. I am an African. I do not have to explain myself to spiritually confused Africans who demonize African spirituality because they identify themselves through colonial belief systems. I am an African in Alkebulan, the land of my ancestors. Therefore, I do not need permission to follow the spiritual ways of my ancient ancestors. Alkebulan is the womb of the world. Alkebulan is the land of great ancient heroes. Alkebulan is the home of my spiritual roots.